Hey everyone, I hope you all are doing well. So this video is all about Foxtail products haul. I have bought some wonderful products from the range Foxtail and I will be sharing my experience, the products that suits me really well and the products that I am not recommending you guys. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So guys, here is the box and let's open this box. Let's see the box, how it comes. It comes like this and you can see the beautiful faces over the box, and this is the brand taping, and this is how it comes. So let's open this and let's see the exciting products inside this box what I have received. So it comes like this. You can see the one pamphlet like this, and you can see the all the products, beautiful products here. So let me show you one by one each products to you guys. So let's see this pamphlet. You can see the pamphlet comes like this, the Foxtail story, and you can see little one game over here, so you can play this, and you can see one painting over here. You can color this and send to this address what is mentioned here. So this is how it comes. So now let's talk about the products. So guys, on number one we have this, the Diva overnight glow mask, and this costs for rupees something around 595 rupees, and this is for all skin type of people, and this contains AHA, PHA and provitamin B5, you can see here, and these are the main ingredients that it contains. So this is how to use this product. So I am recommending you guys to use this product twice a week. Don't use it regularly as it contains AHA, PHA and that can damage your skin. So you can use twice a week this product. So one quote is given here. This is unapologetic product. So divas don't use words, they walk into a room and people notice. So conversations twinkle in their eyes and pour out of their smiles, divas glow. So this is really exciting quote given over this packaging. So let's see the product packaging inside this box. So this is how it comes, and I am really exciting. You can see the beautiful color of this packaging. So this is really a cute packaging, travel friendly, and this is a basically plastic bottle. So this is basically a plastic bottle, so this is really good. You can see the name over here, overnight glow mask. So you can use this product in your night care routine. So this is how it comes, and this bottle contains 30 ml product, so that is quite sufficient. So this is how it can be open. So you can see the product on my hand, and let's see the consistency of the product. So this is how it comes, and let's close the bottle so that it will be safe when you are using this for the next time. You can see the consistency and how it blends. So talking about the texture, this is really a gel and cream based texture. So and it blends very quickly, you can see on my hand. So you can try this product. This is really a good product guys, so you can try this. So guys, next product we have this Foxtail, the game changer satin matte niacinamide serum. So basically this is a serum and it blurs pores instantly and oil free radiance it will provide you. So this contains 5% niacinamide and olive leaf extract, you can see here, and this bottle contains 30 ml product. So this is for normal to oily skin, and this is how to use this product. So you can use this product after your cleanser. After cleansing your face, you can use this serum on your face in your day care routine. This is basically a niacinamide serum that targets your open pores and large pores on your face and gives you a glowing skin, preventing your dull skin. And also you can use this serum after your cleanser, and you can use the mattifying sunscreen from the range Foxtail for the better results. So this is how it comes. This packaging contains one story about the lady Bhavna. So Bhavna works hard to have the best of both worlds. Like professionally, she is a graphic designer and she is following her passion through photography. So she is balancing both the fields. So like that, this serum, niacinamide serum, balances your life really well. So this product is dedicated to her, and this is about the story of Bhavna. It's mentioned on the packaging. So you can really try this product. This is really an amazing product. So you can use this product in your daycare routine. So this is about this product, and this cost for rupees 545 rupees, you can see here. So let's see the product and let's see the packaging, how it comes. It comes in a purple lavender shade that looks really cool and pretty. So this is how the packaging comes. All the bottles comes in the plastic, so that is really safe to use and travel friendly also. So you can open like this, and let's see the product on my hand. I will be showing you the consistency of the product, how it comes. See the texture of the product. So this is basically serum. So this is a lightweight formula. Like the other serum I have already used and tried. So the best serums I have tried from the range is Skincraft Daily Reparative Serum. So this product really absorbs quickly, and you can see the shine on my hand. So this is a good serum. You can try this. So guys, next product we have Foxtail Retinol Night Serum. So basically this is also a serum that contains retinol, and retinol is the formula that works on the anti-aging and fine lines. So it reduces fine line and wrinkles and makes skin firmer. So it contains 0.15% retinol, betaine and cocoa butter. So you can see here. So the bottle contains 30 ml product. So it's for all skin type of people. So you can use this serum in your night care routine. So this is the serum you can use after cleansing your face, and it works really wonders. So it works on your pigmentation and age spots, fine lines and wrinkles. You can see here. So this serum costs for rupees 599 rupees. You can see here on the box. These are the ingredients it contains. So you can see the keeping the spark alive. This packaging contains a story, and this product is dedicated to a woman, Padma. So mature for your age is a phrase that Padma dislikes. So obviously everyone dislikes to be mature of their age. So it signifies a lack of youthfulness and the idea that aging can rob you of it. So this retinol serum works really well for her, and it will keeps her youthful and glowing and without any signs of aging. So this is the quote dedicated to her, and these are the products really good from the range Foxtail. So you can try this. Let's open this and let's see the packaging. So you can see the bottle comes like this, and this is really a cool packaging, and I really love the bottle. So you can see, let's open it and let's see the consistency on my hand like the other products. So this is how it comes. This is basically a cream formula. So you can use this. This is basically a serum in cream texture, but I really like the products that the Foxtail provides. It absorbs really quickly. I really love the texture of this product. So you can use this retinol serum in your night care routine for the better results. Next product we have this Foxtail mattifying sunscreen that is really trending and most hyped product on the Instagram, YouTube and everywhere. So this is the Cover Up Mattifying Sunscreen. This contains SPF 70 PA+++ and niacinamide Pro Vitamin B5 and plus vitamin E. So this is for normal to oily skin, and this contains 50 ml product. So this is really good, and you can use the 3 finger rule to use this sunscreen, as I have already shown you on my video and shorts regarding the Dot and Key sunscreen. So you can check that video also on my channel. So these are the ingredients it contains, and this is inspired by your skin story. So let's see the a quote over here, a quiet strength, it's mentioned here. And growing up, Anu never had a dog. The housing society did not allow pets, so by the age of 25 she had 20 of them in a rescue shelter that she runs. So Cover Up Mattifying Sunscreen is dedicated to Anu and protecting her from the sun as she protects the voiceless and homeless four-pawed friends in her city. So this is the inspiring story about the lady Anu. So this product is dedicated to her, and you can use this sunscreen in your morning routine obviously. So this is about this product. So this cost for rupees 595 rupees, you can see here. And let's see the consistency now of this sunscreen. This is a mattifying sunscreen, so its formula is matte as compared to the other sunscreen. But I really loved the packaging, how the Foxtail designed their bottles and packaging. So this is really cool. So let's see the consistency on my hand of this sunscreen. So let's see here. This is the amount of sunscreen I am using. But whenever you are using the sunscreen, you can see the little amount is so much. So for your face, 3-finger sunscreen is really sufficient to use. So it takes little time to blend it, but after once it's blended, so you will not receive the white cast on your face, and it will give you a mattifying dewy effect. So I really love the formula as compared to Dot and Key. Both the sunscreen I really loved, Foxtail and Dot and Key. But Dot and Key sunscreen is not matte formula, and this is matte formula. So you can see the results after blending on my hand, how it comes. So guys, I will be recommending this sunscreen to you guys. This is really a good sunscreen especially for oily skin type of people. You can go for it. This is really a good product from the range Foxtail. So let's see the next product. Next product we have the Milky Way Rapid Spot Reduction Drops. So basically this is a serum that you can use in your daycare and night care routine. So this is a milky formula. It contains milky formula, like it's in white color, not in transparent color. So it's called the Milky Way. It works on your marks and hyperpigmentation, even out skin tone. And it contains oligopeptide 68 and tranexamic acid. So this is for all skin type of people, and this bottle contains 30 ml product. So this is quite sufficient, and this cost for rupees 595 rupees. And I have been using this serum. So let's see the consistency on my hand and formula. So this is how it comes. You can see the formula how it comes. So let's see on my hand. So this is a good serum guys, and I will be recommending this serum to you guys. It will works on your dark spots and gives you a glowing effect, and it absorbs very quickly on your hand. You can see this works like wonders. So you can, without any doubt, you can go for this serum guys. This is really a good serum. So guys, next product we have this Foxtail Under Eye Cream Firming Under Eye Cream Gel, and this is eye candy. You can see the color, beautiful color. This is pink and white packaging. It contains peptides, algae extracts, pro vitamin B5, and this is for all skin type of people. And this bottle cost for rupees 575 rupees, you can see here, and it contains a product of 20 ml product, so you can see here. But if you have sensitive skin, so I am not recommending this eye cream to you guys. If you have normal skin and if you have dry skin, so you can go for this. And this is about the product. So this is the product, how to use this product. You have to use this product in your day care and night care routine, and you can apply this under eye gel and on your under eye area after the cleansing. So this is how it comes, and you can see the story over here, inspired by your skin story. So you can see the story over here, and be extra. So there are people in this world who are satisfied with the bare minimum, so they do what they need to and live how they must. So not Meher, though she pushes beyond where most stop. So in her work, in how she dresses, in her ambition, and in her kindness. So eye candy firming eye gel is dedicated to Meher and her life philosophy of going the extra mile, because that is where we all really shine our brightest. So this is the story regarding the Meher, one of the women, and this product is dedicated to her as she works beyond their expectations. So she works really beyond their boundaries. So this is really good about Meher, and we should be really inspired by these women, and these products are highly recommended, and these products are dedicated to these women, because those women are really a high mindset woman that works for their selves. So we should also be inspired by them. And let's open this and let's see the product, how it comes. So talking about the packaging, it comes in a tube kind of packaging that I love, and this is basically a travel friendly packaging. You can see the metal top here. With this you can apply easily on your under eye area. So this is really a good under eye cream for you guys if you have dry and normal skin. So guys, the two products which I received with these products complimentary. So these are these pouches of cleanser, so that I can give it a try, because I haven't ordered the cleanser. And this is a multivitamin toner with mist. So this is also comes with the vitamin C, provitamin B5 and niacinamide. So I haven't used these both products, so I can't say much about these products, but I got this with these products complimentary. This cost for rupees 249 rupees, and these are the cleansers. So both the products I can use on my travel. So both are travel friendly, so you can buy these products to get these products complimentary. So guys, this is it for today's video. Let's end this video here, and this is the quick review and demo video of all the wonderful products from the range Foxtail. So you can give it a try, and if you are already using these wonderful products, you can share your experience in the comment section. And if you have any doubt and any queries related to the any product and anything that you want to ask me, so you can comment down, and I will be really happy to reply your comments on my channel. So this is it for today's video. I hope you find this video really helpful, and if you do, then please hit the like button. Do subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet, and do press the bell button so that you don't miss any updates related to my wonderful videos. And I will see you soon in the next video. Till then, stay healthy, stay rocking, keep loving, keep supporting. Bye bye. Love you all.